This is the Lookeyz mobile app, and this is how your technicians report the items they use on jobs. Daniel just finished making car keys for a customer, and the parts he used need to leave the inventory. Watch how fast this is. The job. A remote key for a 2012 Ford Explorer plus a spare transponder key. First, the 2 test keys we cut to find the right cuts. Search for H75 and add it to the box. For the transponder, we search by the customer's car. Vehicle and search. Ford Explorer 2012. Then we narrow it down with the type filter, transponder, open the item and scroll down. We've got 4 of these in our stock. Good. Back up and add it to the box. Now the remote key. We keep the same vehicle and just switch the type to remote key. We'll open it and check the compatibility. It fits the Ford Explorer 2012 included. That's our key. All the way up and into the box at the top right. Everything from the job is here. Before submitting, Daniel checks the quantities and makes sure the request matches the job. And the note, write which job this was for, so the admin has the context later. One last look to make sure everything is right and submit. Done. The request is on its way. Let's make sure the request really went through. We switch to the notifications tab, and here it is. Our new order with the time and a pending status. Tap full info for the whole picture. The location the items are taken from, the date and time, who submitted it, the total cost of the request, and the status. And as long as the status is pending, the technician can cancel the request and submit a new one if something was wrong. Below the table of the items we used, and the note that tells everyone which job this was for. One important thing about how this works. When a technician submits the box, the stock doesn't change yet. The request goes to the company admin for approval first. Admins can use the same box to deduct items directly with no review needed. But technician requests are always reviewed so the admin stays in control of the inventory. And that approval screen is exactly what we'll see in the next video.